Last month, I made a total of $10,676, and 0% of those sales came from my website because I don't have a website. And the reason that I don't have a website is because websites don't actually sell your products. What really sell your products is what we call a sales funnel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I sell my digital products consistently without having a website, and how you can also set it up for free. So let's dive in. Let's first talk about why websites don't sell your products. See, I understand that after watching a lot of creators and different people talking about websites, logos, branding, and all of that, you might assume that website is the only thing that you really need to sell your product, but that is far from the truth. Because what we don't understand is how we are going to get people to our website. I mean, there is no fairy magically traffic coming to your website, so that is the part that a lot of people miss out on. So at the end of the day, if we see, a website is just like a digital business card, but there is no way that we are going to make sales with the same. If this is confusing, then think about the website that you visited recently. You might have landed on that website after clicking on an ad or a social media post, right? And if you did not see that ad or the social media post, you might not have landed on that website as well. So a website does not automatically drive any traffic, and it does not convert your visitor into the sales, because in a website there is a home page, contact page, about page, maybe a few links to your social media profile and the emails. At the end, it is just a collection of different static pages that do not guide a visitor about the next steps to buy your product. And we all know that an online business is not just about looking cool, fancy, nice, or just getting good views. It is about making the sales by selling our product. So now you know that you do not need a website to sell your digital product. What we actually need is a sales funnel. Let me explain. A funnel is a series of web pages, not websites, that guide someone from finding you online or getting into your funnel all the way to making the purchase of your digital product. For example, my funnel starts when people find me on YouTube or Instagram. I offer freebies like free workshops, free workbooks, or free guides. People opt in, and when they opt in, they enter their name and email so that they can get the mentioned freebie in their email, and in this way they also get on my email list. And once they are on my email list, they start getting automated emails from my side where I share more free and helpful content. And then at some point in those emails, I also introduce my paid digital product, and I say, hey, if you have found my freebies helpful, just make sure that you look at my paid product as well, because this is going to help you out so much. If you want to check it out, I'm going to link it here. So they just click on the link, and then a percentage of those people, they buy my product. That whole process in itself is also what we can call a funnel. So if we really think about it, a funnel simply is a strategy where you guide someone from finding you online and then all the way to purchasing the product from you. Although a funnel is going to do a lot of work for you, still one of the most important components that you really need with the funnels and to actually make the sales of your digital product is what we call traffic. So let's talk about a traffic source, because as I've already mentioned, you need traffic, you need audience, you need people who can actually enter your digital space, look at your stuff, go to your funnel, sign up for your freebies, and then buy your paid product. For me, I drive all the traffic through Instagram and now YouTube as well. To bring plenty of traffic to my business to make consistent sales, I make sure to put short form content on Instagram at least 5 times a week and long form content once on YouTube. In these videos that I post on Instagram and YouTube, I make sure that I share a lot of helpful and educational content that can actually help my target audience. Most of the time, I mention my freebies in my videos so that the people who are interested or who want to work further with me, they can get these freebies by entering their name and email, so that when they enter their information on my opt-in page, they get on my email list. And then through my Instagram stories and automated emails, I also mention that if you want to work more closely with me, if you want step-by-step strategies strategies and all the tutorials at one place. I teach all of it inside Passive Creators Hub, where we also do weekly meetups so that I can build personalized strategies for you. If you want to check out, click on this link and then you can get inside. So in this way, I convert my leads into my digital product sales. And by the way, if you also want to get inside Passive Creators Hub because you want to work more closely with me, you want to start from scratch and then start making digital product sales by following a proven roadmap, I'm going to mention the link in the description. Make sure you check it out because it is going to be super helpful. Now, if your question is, do I also need to start with Instagram and YouTube? But my answer to that is no. I would highly recommend you to choose one platform and stick to it. Because just think about this. Rather than performing average on all the platforms, what if you just stick to one, make sure you give your best to it, and then until you hit your income goal, you do not start any other platform. That is what I recommend to all of my students, and that is the path that I followed as well, because I did not start YouTube until I started making 6 figures from Instagram. So that is my recommendation to you as well. Rather than starting with multiple platforms all at once, choose one and stick with it until you hit your income goal. So if you put it all together, this is how you want to go. Instagram, freebie, email list, and then checkout page to sell your digital product. Let's see that again. Instagram, freebie, email list, and then your checkout page. So remember, you do not need a website, you do not need a logo, and you absolutely do not need to get into all the branding stuff that sounds very fancy to make the first sales of your digital product. In fact, I have grown my business to 6 figures without having all of this. Your first most important focus should be who you are helping, what problem are you trying to solve for your target audience, and how you're going to solve it. Like what is going to be a digital product and how you're going to make the sales by posting simple content on social media. And if you have made this far in this video, this tells me that you're pretty serious about getting started. I know that you have got a skill that can be monetized. I know that you have got a problem that you can solve for other people because you have solved it for yourself. To actually make all of this possible for you, what you have to do is actually get started. And now that you know how I make over $10,000 every single month without ever having a website or getting into any logos or branding for my business, you might be wondering what are the digital products that actually sell in 2026. But how do you find all of that out? It all starts when you watch this video next, because when you combine what you learned in this video with this video next, it is going to be way more powerful. So click on this video and I will see you there.